Hello and welcome back to Virtual Lab demo videos. So today we are going to do the experiment BCD to XS3 code converter and vice versa. That is BCD to XS3 and XS3 to BCD code converters. For that we have to search on Google that blab.co.in, blab.co.in. Here we have Hybrid Electronics Lab. It is by COE Pune. So go to that link, Hybrid Electronics Lab. There you can see list of experiment. Click on that link, and now we have design and simulate various code converters. Go to that experiment link. Okay, this is our experiment link. Design and simulate various code converters. So mainly we have BCD to XS3 code converter and binary to gray code converter. That two code converters are explained here. We are going to do BCD to XS3 code converter. So first we can see the theory. So what is the BCD? What is BCD codes? Numeric codes represent numeric information, that is only numbers or series of zeros and ones. Okay, numeric codes used to represent decimal digit are called binary coded decimal codes, that is BCD codes. They are binary coded decimal. BCD decimal numbers from 0 to 9. We know that decimal numbers are from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. That decimal numbers are coded into binary. That is binary coded decimal numbers. So a BCD code is one in which the digit of a decimal number are encoded one at a time into a group of 4 binary digits. Okay, by using 4 binary digits, we are encoding the value of decimal into binary. Okay, there are large number of BCD codes in order to represent decimal digit from 0 to 9. It is necessary to use a sequence of at least 4 binary digits. We have to use 4 binary digits there. Such a sequence of binary digits which represent a decimal digit is called a code word. So we are using four binary digits to represent a binary code, a decimal code, and that decimal digit is called a code word. That is about BCD codes. Now what is XS3 codes? XS3 codes are non-weighted codes. It is also a self-complementing BCD code used in decimal arithmetic unit. They are self-complementing. Okay. The XS3 code for the decimal number is performed in the same manner as BCD except that decimal number 3 is added to each decimal unit before encoding it to binary. So this XS3 is same as BCD, but only the difference is before doing the encoding, we are adding decimal number 3 to the decimal unit which we are considering. Okay. That is, suppose if we are considering the decimal number 1, we are adding to get the XS3 code, we are adding decimal number 3 with that 1. That is 1 plus 3, 4. And that 4 will be our XS3 code. Okay. That 4, now that 4 is encoded as the BCD. That is XS3 codes. So now we are going to do this BCD to XS3 code conversion and XS3 to BCD code conversion. So we can see this one. This is BCD to XS3 code conversion. So we are writing the truth table of decimal number, BCD number and the corresponding XS3 number. And from this truth table we can arrive the equations, that is the Z, the MSB of XS3, that is W will be A plus BC plus BD or A plus B into C plus D. Okay, by using K-maps we will arrive these equations. And these equations are we are going to implement and check the BCD to XS3 converter. Okay, this is the logic diagram. This one is the logic diagram. We are using NOT gates, AND gates, OR gates. These three types of gates are used to implement the BCD to XS3 code converter. Okay. Now we will move to the simulation now. Okay. Go to the simulator. Click here for the simulator. So okay. Here we can select binary to gray, gray to binary, BCD to XS and XS3 to BCD. These four converters are given here. We are going to do BCD to XS. So click on that link. We are getting that experiment, BCD to XS3 conversion. So this circuit is inbuilt here. So we don't need to connect it on breadboard. We just need to give the supply, or we just need to give the numbers, corresponding BCD numbers, and get the output as the XS3 numbers. So let us, and we want to verify the truth table. The truth table also given here. We just need to we just need to give the numbers, give the BCD numbers and get the corresponding numbers, corresponding XS3 numbers. So we will check this first. The 4 digits of BCD are 0, that is the value is 0 0 0 0 now. Now click on run. Click on this run. Then you will get, this is your BCD number 0 0 0 0 and corresponding decimal is 0. Then we are going through the BCD to XS3 converter and we are getting the XS3 number here, that is 0011, that is decimal 3. Okay, for decimal number is 0. To get the XS3 number, we are adding 3 with this, that is 0 plus 3. So we want to get 3 at the output. That is we are getting the decimal number 3 for all zeros. We can check the next one, 0001. Click on off. Now it is on. V0 is 1 now. Check 0001 and click on run. Okay, on clicking run, you are getting the number is 1 now, decimal number 1, and we are getting the output as 0100. The representation is wrong here. It is actually 0001. Okay, please note down that. On truth table, it is 0001 and we are getting decimal number 40100. Like that, you have to use all the 16 combinations of, there is no 16 combinations in BCD. We only have from 0 to 9. From 0 and 1 we have checked. Now we can move to 2. When it is 2, we are getting 5. And when it is 3, we are getting 6. And when it is 4, we are getting 7. For 5, it is 8. For 8, it is 9. Sorry, for 6, it is 9. For 7, it is 10. For 8, it is 11. And for 9, that is our last one. For 9, it is 1100, that is decimal 12. So we have verified this truth table. Please note down that this representation is wrong sometimes. We just note down the truth table. Okay. This is the waveform of that BCD to XS3 input and output. Okay. So that experiment is done. Now we can move to the next experiment, that is XS3 to BCD. So click on that link. First condition is the XS3 number all zeros. Okay. XS3 number all zeros. There is no such a number. You have to note down that for XS3 code, it starts from 3. Okay, 0011. From 3 only the excess 3 numbers start. So first we have to get 3. This is our first excess 3 number 0, 0, 1, 1, and click on run. You will the corresponding decimal, that is 0. Okay. The next one 4. 0, 1, 0, 0, that is 4 decimal. Excess 3 number 4, that is decimal number or BCD number 1. Okay. Then 5 is 2, 6 is 3, 7 is 4, and 8 is 5. Or you can use this clear also. Use the clear. Now we have to check 9. So 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. And click on run. That is 6. Then 1, 0, 7. Then 10. Excess 3 10 number equal to BCD 7. Then 11, 8, 12. It is 9 and 30. Invalid output. Up to 12 only we have the numbers. Okay. 12 is the last number, 0 to 9. We have decimal numbers from 0 to 9, that is BCD numbers from 0 to 9 only. And excess 3 starts from 3 and it ends on 12. Decimal number 12. Okay. So the experiment is done now. This is the waveform for excess 3 input and BCD output. You can note down the truth table and you can verify with any number. Okay. So thank you.